We got a Tesla Cybertruck, about to do the quarter, which is the biggest panel on this car. Hopefully it's not gonna be too difficult. I wanna say thank you for not roasting me like you guys are roasting Joe. All right. Oh. It's pretty easy. Okay. Now we're just gonna clean the edges, get rid of any dust that might get in when we're doing our install. It's interesting looking. I haven't driven it much aside from just moving it around here at the shop, so it's you know, takes a little bit of adjustment. I think it's cool. Definitely funny way of Elon trolling the automotive industry. Yeah, this just seems like a way to troll the automotive industry, you know? You make an electric truck, you make it look like a triangle, just the strongest shape there is, and then you make it out of stainless steel. It's basically a fridge. Yeah, so definitely interesting. I don't know if I would get one. Yeah, big piece of film. As always, we're gonna squeegee off the panel. Now we're gonna keep that front edge dry in order for us to be able to dry tack it and back roll it by ourselves. If you had a second set of hands, then you wouldn't need to do that. No, I'm good. Don't need hands, bro. I could do it all. Okay, now we're gonna align this. Stick it on the door panel and the pillar. We're going to start readjusting the material. I'm going to do a rough cut of the film once I get it semi-adjusted, just to get rid of any excess that's going to get in the way. I'm going to cut off the excess from the wheel. Now we're going to start with this corner over here. Get a little bit of tack. Near the edges. Material as we work, because it's a bit of an odd shape. Now we're gonna do this part first, just because it's flat, so we can throw a little bit of tack here. Screw that back down. Okay, now start the bottom. About a 1/4 inch or so. You want to be careful not to put the blade down too deep, so you put the plastic underneath. The trickiest part about this is actually going to probably be this area here, because even when the hatch or the what is this thing called? The truck bed door? So I'm just pushing this in with my hand, seeing where it lines up, and now what I'm going to do is cut it with this adjacent plastic piece, so it'll still go behind it. Now this corner is rounded, and so the film, I mean, unless it's vinyl, probably will not stick to something like that shape, so we're going to cut it pretty close to it, just so that when you heat it, it just barely wraps over that edge and you won't have any weird fingers or puckering. Similar thing, push it down with your hands first, get a rough idea where it goes. And we're going to take care of this big flat area first. Goes all the way up to about here. Peace. That's all I got.
Right,
I'm hungry.
Right?
Actually, if you guys want to donate food, I'll put my link in the description. Just kidding.